There is a new all-time high just ahead. That sounds like how it is. You seem very confident that one idea excites you. But supposing I told you the possibilities may quadruple the expectations. The Shiba Inu would almost burst in value. Recent research, however, suggests that it could be more than just ideal. And all of this due to one little element we have not been seeing. How unfortunate. But just what is it about, and why ought we to be enthusiastic? Well, let me clarify. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. The notable rise in volatility over the previous 7 days has attracted everyone's attention because almost 17 trillion Shiba Inu tokens have been transferred. In terms of cryptocurrencies, this enormous movement resembles a tidal wave. In terms of perspective, Shiba Inu's circulation supply consists of 17 trillion tokens, hence this action cannot be disregarded. Such a significant token transfer might indicate a significant change in the market, so it usually draws questions. Given the volume of a cryptocurrency transferred in a short time, generally something significant is underway behind the scenes. This might be anything from big holdings or whales moving strategically to possible shifts in market mood. With on-chain events exploding like this, many people are hoping Shiba Inu may have a positive trend in hand in the next week. Shiba Inu's price has lately displayed notable fluctuation, illustrated by graphs showing consistent testing of support and resistance levels. This trend implies Shiba Inu is in a consolidation period, so accumulating momentum before making a major action. People's perception of a vital change about to occur is shaped by this behavior. It likes seeing a quiet before the storm. Though everything is still, you could feel something large approaching. Imagine standing at the coast and seeing the waves growing increasingly frequent and forceful. Though you can't precisely estimate when or how strong a large wave is about to strike, investors find themselves in a similar state, excited and ready for Shiba Inu to execute its next significant action. However, this is very fascinating. Although during 7 days 17 trillion Shiba Inu tokens were exchanged, the price does not reflect this activity. Actually, Shiba Inu's price declines by 7% within the same time. People are perplexing this inconsistency. Usually, such a big token movement should have a noticeable effect on the price. Especially with large trading volumes, this much activity causes prices to often move more significantly either up or down. For many investors, meanwhile, it is perplexing to witness a 7% decline rather than a surge or significant shift. People are left wondering behind the scenes what is happening in this regard. They wonder if this large-scale relocation is a calculated action by powerful companies or whether other, less obvious elements are at work. After observing the tide rise, it's like anticipating a large wave to crash on the coast. Only then the water abruptly quietens. This surprising change of events has everyone wondering about possible future developments. Rising rumors and animosity against the Shiba Inu development team might be among the elements behind this surprising price decline. You probably recall that they started several initiatives years ago. But without any recent updates, people are losing hope and trust in the squad. This occurs thus as confidence and trust are rather important in the cryptosphere. Starting fresh initiatives by a team generates enthusiasm and hope. Investors start to worry, however, when updates or progress reports are absent. They start to question if the team can live up to its promises. Moreover, this uncertainty can cause them to sell off their tokens, therefore lowering the price. Ethically, it makes sense why people would feel this way. Their financial decisions were founded on the hope for upcoming changes. It seems as if a promise has been violated when such advancements fail or are not shared. Maintaining confidence depends critically on openness and constant communication from the development team. Without it, pessimism and rumors may quickly proliferate and compromise the value and reputation of the enterprise even more. Furthermore, among the initiatives at the core of the hatred and debates was Shiba Inu's metaverse project. March 2024 was the final significant update for the project when Lucy revealed a first look at the advancements on Shiba Inu metaverse. The town hasn't had much information about the project since then. This lack of knowledge spurred rumors that the crew could have overlooked the metaverse initiative. Growing worries over the dearth of updates, Shiba Inu's marketing head, Lucy, responded in a Twitter post today. Lucy claims that the upcoming revelation will be more powerful when it's revealed the less knowledge people know about the metaverse project today. And this really makes sense. Keeping specifics under wraps will help the team create excitement and guarantee that, should they decide to provide fresh data, it will have more effect. This is a strategy often employed to build tension and excitement, therefore transforming the final announcement from just another update to a major event. Lucy tweeted, "Nothing is neglected to finish." This implies that the crew is behind the scenes, actively working on Shiba Inu Metaverse, even if they have not provided any updates on it. For fans and investors who have been concerned about the future of the project, this is relieving. Hearing this is welcome, as it helps one to regain some confidence. It reveals that the team is deliberately preparing their next action, knowing the worries of the society. This form of communication helps to re-establish confidence and may revive project interest, therefore stimulating possible movements in the value of the token. Lucy has also often addressed the Shiba Inu community on the X social media site about persons spreading doubt, confusion, and terror about Shiba Inus and their creator team. Lucy suggests a quiet and calm solution instead of a hostile one. Lucy counsels the worldwide Shiba Inu army in her tweets on how to handle FUD and those assaulting Shiba Inu. She counsels just to do nothing. Let the fudders be, she advises. Avoid letting them define you. Instead, choose optimism and good outcomes will result. She also related her own method, stating, "I just forget they exist and let them die." This guidance helps the society to remain committed to their objectives and avoid being sidetracked by negativity. Encouraging a good and productive environment within the Shiba Inu community seems to have had results. As of right moment, Shiba Inus have ceased declining in value, and the hatred appears to have halted as well. Given the price is flat for the last 24 hours, it seems to be very steady. This stability points to the community's resilience and good attitude, helping to provide Shiba Inu a more stable surroundings. And this is really vital and precisely what we need right now today. Mona's Eljaboom is a contender from Forbes 40 Under 40 and a Bitcoin investor. Expressed his opinion that, should history repeat itself, Shiba Inu might exceed the 3024 mark. This forecast is extremely amazing, as it implies Shiba Inu might sell for a price threefold more than its all-time high. Given Eljaboom's market share and his candidacy for Forbes 40 Under 40, his viewpoint offers a unique twist to this price estimate. Eljaboom's observation is insightful, as it comes from someone with a great name and influence in the Bitcoin space. His study might provide traders and investors thinking about Shiba Inu important new perspectives. Eljaboom said this when talking about Shiba Inu's weekly price fluctuations. He highlighted a trend in the canine-themed cryptocurrency asset. Data shown on his graphic indicate that Shiba Inu is shown now indications of replicating this historical pattern. Shiba Inu kept below the 4-0 barrier for 94 weeks or 658 days, always trying to reach this level. But a major turning point occurred when Shiba Inu shot 374% to hit its annual peak in March of this year. Eljaboom anticipates Shiba Inu to have a price spike similar to what it saw in May 2021. Shiba Inu might experience a 1105% rise at its cycle peak, he thinks this time. Given the last all-time high was at $92 billion, Shiba Inu's market capitalization of $141 billion is really reasonable. Still, it's important to note that Shiba Inu's failure to firmly break above the 403 range since April has led to pessimistic predictions. Reacting to Eljaboom's forecasts, prominent Bitcoin dealer Emily said that Shiba Inu market players are dumb and have lost trust in the currency. On that, however, what you think? See below. Reading your point of view would be much anticipated. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.